guys. So it's Sunday and you're gonna get to see my fridge now. Yay! This is the fridge. It's got some mostly pictures and stuff and things. Not that interesting. Magnets and stuff. And then it's one of those ones where it's like this side over here is the freezer and this side's the fridge. So we're just gonna look in the fridge part today. It's exciting, isn't it? Yeah. So we got a lot of beer, sauce, Miracle Whip, cheese, pasta sauce, more sauce for ice cream, containers, some sort of butter substitute. I don't know what this is. I think it's some sort of cottage cheese, sour cream, something like that. Relish, sliced beets, something else in a container that I don't know what it is, Greek yogurt, coffee cream, hummus, jam, really good jam, more beer, avocado lime, tzatziki, we got some eggs, leftover pasta and cheese, our water filter, there's maple syrup back there, ice cream, yogurt. Here we've got some pasta, some cream cheese. We've got like baking stuff back there and some marmalade, I think, something like that. I don't know, it might be like salmon, who really knows. We've got a cheese drawer, which is very exciting. We've got tortillas, vegetables, and then my apple drawer is all we eat. There's no fruit in there, it's just apples. Chocolate sauce, mustard, vinegar, some sort of dipping sauce, more vinegar, various ketchups and salad dressings, and something Frank's Red Hot. That's exciting. Jam, Thai sauce, some packets of stuff, horseradish, tzatziki, barbecue sauce, tangy seafood sauce, Kikkoman, naturally brewed soy sauce, mango chipotle, tartar sauce, barbecue sauce, honey mustard, butter. That was exciting. How'd you like it, guys? It was pretty awesome. I mean, right? Right? Yep. It's over now. Sorry. That's it for this week. See you guys next time.